Hey, it's Tiger.
Hey, it's Principal González, class of 1990.
Look at this thing. Well, now that full swing is in my golf bag, I'm getting accurate measurements. I'm not getting guesstimates. It's so small. I love it.
Listen, Chris Crusader, my swing is very unique. It's been passed down generation. I have a specific attack angle, cadence to it. I don't think there's technology capable of capturing this. Is this even the latest software? Here's the thing, Vanessa. Technology. You see, it never works.
It hasn't been turned on yet. Let me show you how it works. Oh wow, this is really cool.
So you mean to tell me that I can win this at the Crusader Golf Tournament?
Yes, it's a raffle, and it's only $50 a ticket.
$50 a ticket, but how many tickets are you selling?
250, so you got a pretty good chance at winning.
That is pretty good odds. Yeah. Vanessa, you saw me out here. I don't think I need this. I think my game is pretty solid. But you know what? Modern Day Catholic's such a good cause. Count me in for a ticket.
You'll probably need more than one ticket.
Well, what do we have here? Look at this. It's the classic Crusader logo. Where do I get one of these?
At the Crusader Golf Tournament. There's one in every goodie bag.
August 2nd, sign up. See you there. Go Crusaders.